Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify Shipping, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Shopify Shipping, first, log into your Shopify admin panel. Next, navigate to the settings section at the bottom left corner of the page. Once in settings, click on Shipping and Delivery. In the shipping section, you'll see options for managing shipping profiles. If you're starting fresh, click on Create New Profile. Give your shipping profile a clear name that reflects its purpose. Now, you can add the products that will be included in this shipping profile. Choose your shipping origin, which is typically your store's address. Scroll down to set up shipping zones by clicking on Manage Rates for each zone. In the Shipping Zones section, you can add countries or regions where you will ship your products. After adding a zone, you'll need to define the shipping rates. You can set up flat rates, calculated rates, or offer free shipping depending on your strategy. Click on Add Rate and choose the type of rate you want to offer. For flat rates, simply enter the cost you wish to charge. If you select calculated rates, ensure your carrier's information is correctly linked. You can also add conditions for your rates, such as weight or order price. Once you've added all rates, save your changes. Next, return to the main shipping settings to configure carrier calculated shipping, if desired. This option allows you to display live rates from carriers like USPS or UPS during checkout. Ensure you have enabled the appropriate carriers in your Shopify settings. You can also set up local delivery or in-store pickup if your business requires those options. To do this, scroll to the local delivery section and follow the prompts to configure. If you want to offer international shipping, make sure to create separate zones for those regions as well. Analyze your shipping settings regularly to ensure they align with your business goals. Finally, conduct a test order to ensure everything works smoothly at checkout. With these settings configured, you're ready to start fulfilling orders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.